Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the minimum stay length for a specific date on your Airbnb calendar. We're going to be using a rule set for this, which will make it really easy to apply this update to multiple days on your calendar. Our minimum stay is currently 3 days, and unfortunately our guests have created this little window that is exactly 3 days. This will make those dates much harder to fill. Someone has to want to stay for those exact 3 days for the full 3 days. So what we're going to do to fix that is change this from a 3-day minimum to a 2-day minimum, because someone may want to stay that weekend and not stay that Monday as well. So we're going to try to target that weekend traveler. The first thing to do to change the minimum stay for a specific date will be to create a new rule set. And to do that, you'll need to click on the specific date that you would like to change in your calendar. Click on the first day and then hold Shift on your keyboard and then click on the last day. Then we come over here to the right and we click on the rule set. Under rule sets, we're going to create a new rule set by clicking add rule set. This will bring up a form that needs a rule set name up here in the top left. I'm going to name this rule set 2-day minimum. And once that's filled out, you can see that you can do a lot of things with rule sets, such as updating the pricing for specific days. What we're going to do is scroll down to availability, and then we're going to choose trip length. Under trip length, you can see this section that says minimum stay. Click below that, and in our case, we're going to say 2 nights. After you've filled that out, click save and your new rule set will be created. Now that we have our new rule set created, let's select our dates again that we want to apply this rule set to. Don't forget, you click on the first day, you hold Shift, and then you click on the last day. Once you have those dates selected, look over to the right, and under rule sets, you can change that drop down to our new rule set. And after that, you're all done. Those days now have a 2-night minimum instead of a 3-night minimum, and we can attract that weekend traveler. I wanted to also show you another example where we have a couple of days that are not able to be booked because they actually fall under the minimum stay amount. So this is a section where we actually only have 2 days available and our minimum stay length is 3. And in your calendar, you're going to see those grayed out. So with those 2 days, you can actually just click on one of the days and then click on availability and click edit. This will bring up an availability form that allows you to change the minimum stay for that specific date. What I'm going to do in this case is select both dates, just like we did before, holding Shift, and then apply our new 2-day rule set to them. Once this has been done, you can refresh your calendar and see that those dates are now available and no longer grayed out.